Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable comments on Facebook Story. The first thing we will do is enter the Facebook application, then tap on the story you want to configure. Within the story, we will click on the 3 horizontal points of options. Then we can see the option to turn comments off for this story and click on it. We will confirm the action by clicking on Turn Off. If you want to reactivate the comments, you just have to return to the same menu, and now you will see Turn Comments On for this story. Confirm the action with Turn On. Another option to disable the comments of your stories in general is to go to the 3-dot options menu, and in this case, click on More Comment Settings. Here you can disable the comments switch to avoid being commented on in any story. You'll also see other privacy-related options for your story. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.